guys, another Airfix quick build and review time. As you know, I'm going through as many of the kits as I can. I come across and I unbox them, I build them, and then I review how they look, how they go together. This one here, we're going away from the planes at the moment. I'm going to be doing this Challenger, which is a tank. It looks very good. It's no glue, no paint, just build. So there's no fuss, no mess, and you get a model, okay? It's based on the premise of Lego, so you can understand it's all done by blocks, and it's all about pushing together to make the fit, okay? This is the Challenger, which is the main tank for the British Army, okay? It doesn't give a name, it doesn't give a number, because I think there's two. There's Challenger 1 and Challenger 2, okay? The stats on the back of this one, okay, say Perkins CV12, V12 diesel 26 litre. That is the stats or the engine that's in the Challenger 2. Because originally the Challenger 1 had a Rolls-Royce CV12 26 litre diesel, which had about 1200 horsepower. When they brought out the second tank, which is the Challenger 2, which is known as CR2, they changed the engines to a Perkins CV12, okay, 6A V12 diesel, and it's a 26.1 litre engine. They also changed the transmission, so the original Challenger 1 had a David Brown TN37 transmission, which had 4 forward gears and 3 reverse, okay, but when they brought this one out, they brought out it with a David Brown TN54E, which has 6 forwards and 2 reverse speeds, okay, or gears, okay. Just a quick note that the Perkins engine is actually a Caterpillar engine, because they were bought out in about 1998, 1999, and they basically now build all the big heavy-duty diesel engines. So even though it's called a Perkins, you know, most of the bump in it is Caterpillar. Okay, the Challenger 1 number was FV4030/4, okay, and then they created the Challenger 2, which was FV4034, okay. It's built by Vickers, the Challenger 2, which we know as, well, it was called Vickers Defence Systems, but we now know it as British Aerospace, BAE Systems. So, yeah, it's all changed, but the box art is brilliant. It's got it firing, okay. You got an exploded view of the kit, so when you pick it up, you can see roughly what it's going to look, you know, what the bits look like. The number for this kit is J6010 Quick Build Challenger. Okay, 1 flying hour. Remember, you collect the tokens and you join the Airfix club. And when you've got so many tokens, you can get another model. Okay, so some of the stats. It housed 4 people. The length of it was 11.5 meters. And its height was 2.49 meters. Width, 4.2 meters. It weighed a staggering 62.5 ton. Okay, top speed for 62. This is 62 tons. The engine, the speed of it was 59 kilometers an hour, which is roughly around 48 miles an hour, 47 miles an hour. Okay. The range of it was 450 kilometers, and it says brake horsepower, and it had a 120 millimeter gun. Okay. And we're going to open up the box now and have a little look what's inside. And obviously, you're going to find a bag of bits. You're going to find instructions and a little pack of stickers. And the colours for this kit is mostly Iraq sort of colours, Desert Storm sort of colours. A lot of them are painted with the blacks and the normal camouflage blacks, greens, browns. This one is in desert sort of colours. So quickly open the bag so we can have a look. And I need my roasting tin. The roasting tin is out, and we'll just put all the bits inside. Wow, there is a lot of pieces. So there you have it. There are all the bits for this tank, and there's the 2 tracks there. There's lots of guide wheels. So there's the base of it, and on the, as you can see, it's all marked up quick build. Oh, Challenger 2. Okay, so there you are. So it is the Challenger 2. There's the sides, there's your gun. There's lots of little bits. As you can see, again, it is very Lego-ish. There's no all mega blocks. We'll say mega blocks, okay? So we're not getting any trademark infringements or saying that we're talking Lego here, because we're obviously not. This is, I got the impression that years ago that QUICKBUILD and Airfix created the quick build in partnership with Lego, and Lego pulled out, and then so Airfix carried on with it. I do like them. They're a bit of fun to do. We'll go through the instructions now quickly. Just going to see how many pieces they have. So there's 35 pieces, quite a big kit this one. Normally they're around about the 30 mark. There's the stickers where they go. They're not decals or decals, they are stickers where you put the bits on. You've got your number there, 19. So let's just have a quick look, open it up. So looks like you've got two sizes. So there's 4 for the front, then you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 either side, and you put the tracks on, and then you build the base, put the drums on the back, the turret and the front go on. Sorry, not the turret, the fronts go on, and all the little pieces come in through, and finally you build the turret. And it looks like it's a twist lock on, but we'll find out after I've done the build what it is. But yeah, there's the kit. There's the pieces. So let's build this now, and I'll see you after the time lapse. And here is the final model. This was actually really sweet to put together. It wasn't like the plane. This is actually a very well engineered, well put together, well thought out kit to, you know, for the youngster. Excuse me. Yeah, very good. I'm really happy with how it went together, how it all looks, how it all feels. You know, the tracks is great. One little tip, if I just turn this over, you see there's little rivets, not rivets, but there's like a track mark inside, and that goes over the wheels, and that keeps it straight when you go forwards and back. But yeah, if I just unclip it, you have to twist it on, and there's like 2 little nubs there that fit inside the holes there, and you just push it all down, in it goes. You find it in, I did it before. It goes in and twist, and there you go. There is the tank in all of its glory. The stickers look really nice on it. Just one little thing here on the back, on the diagram, it's blacked out. Okay, so there is an option there, if you so wish, to put a bit of acrylic paint on there, just to highlight on the back there, because, you know, you can see some sort of pattern there. But on the instructions, they look black. So I was looking for pieces like this, and they weren't there, obviously. You can do some more with it if you're so pleased to do, and you're so willing. But yeah, easy kit to build. Very happy with it. And it will be a great birthday present, Christmas present, stocking filler for a youngster. Or if you have somebody who used to be in the army and drove these Challenger 2 tanks, it'll be a great little gift. You know, something a bit special, if you know what I mean. So anyway, that's the build. Sorry, let's get it right. So this is the unboxing, the build and the review of the Challenger 2. Please, if you like the video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified on any other videos I do. Any thoughts on this, put it in the comments down below. And obviously, be safe, and I'll see you next time.